Morning all of you. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing everybody? Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. How you are doing everybody? कैसे हो सभी लोग? I hope all of you are doing great. And so these are the top educators. We have started a new batch. We have started it, the Prarambh batch. In this batch, you can find the top educators team. They will deal all the subjects very in detailed manner. All of you do join the session everybody, and we are going to have a great session today. So jaldi join karo. So here do like, share to all your friends. Now you can find the top educators team are handling the subjects. You can have a look at now here. December 30th onwards, the new batch has been started. You can enroll for these batches, and the students who has taken an academy iconic subscription, those fellows will get these are the books free of cost. Digital logic, operating systems, programming and data structures, computations and computer networks, database management, compiler design, computer organization architecture, discrete math, algorithms, engineering math, aptitude. ये सारा सब्जेक्ट आपको मिलेगा बुक्स द it will be delivered free of cost within the 15 days to your home. And you can plan this Unacademy subscription with a no cost EMI. You can plan it without paying any additional charges. You can able to get this as Unacademy subscription. Utilize these opportunities, and per month you have to pay only this much only. Right, as of now there is no discrete math course. So here, as some other educators are taking the discrete math course, you can follow those courses. Till now, I didn't started any discrete math course in the CS career. And these are the GATE 2023 rankers from Unacademy. Now you can start your preparation seriously, and next year your photo might be visible here. Right. Fine, all of you. Now, and so here any other queries and all you can post me, and I will discuss each and every questions we'll discuss. Right. The last class, how many problems we have completed? Have a look at how many problems we have completed. Tell me. Yeah, probability sessions, how many problems completed? This problem completed now? Yes. This thing completed. This also completed. If this problem is completed, tell me all of you. 45. I think no. So take this problem. The probability that a number selected at random between 100 and 999 will not contain the digit. So this one, the number selected at random between 100 to 999, so it should not contain the digit of 7, should not allowed. So it can be anything. So I need to select a number such that here this number must be between here to here. That means the number must be a 3-digit number. Yes or no? First thing is the number must be a 3-digit number. In this 3 digits, what they are saying here, 7 must not include now. 7 should not be allowed. Baki we can take anything. Right. So इसमें क्या होगा? Tell me now. इधर. So we have a numbers. We have. Tell me now here. So you can say this as the number. The first number I can fill with how many ways? You tell me. We have a 0 to 9 numbers basically. I can write all the numbers once. So first number we can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you tell me, since I need to have the 7 should not contain, 7 is eliminated. Next, and the thing is, now how many numbers are there? 9 are there, but lekin, so here this first digit is there. Now this cannot be a 0. Why? Because so here they are saying that we need to form a 3-digit number, we need to form. So 0 is also not allowed in the first place. So how many numbers are there? You tell me now by eliminating this thing. This 7 is eliminated, and then we have how many ways? We have 8. And the remaining, so this one, so here you can see now the remaining, this I can fill with 9, this I can fill with 9. Yes or no? These many ways. Yeah, right. So here 9 ways we can do it now here. Means what we can say now, 8 into 9 into 9 by, so 900. Tell me all of you, this we can fill with 9 waves, this I can fill with 9 waves, this will fill with 9 waves, 8 ways. So here what is the answer, you tell me? Simplify, tell me the answer. What's the option? Option A, how much will get? 18 by 25. Got it? The first thing is, first place, how many ways we can fill it, you tell me? 8 ways only. Why? Because, so 0 cannot be the first place. If the 0 is selected in the first place, it will become what, tell me? Next. Take the next one. From a pack of regular playing cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. What is the probability that both cards will be king if the card is not replaced? So both must be a king. So how many kings are there, you tell me? We have a 4 kings are there. 4 kings. इसमें how many we need to select now? 2, and both must be kings only. So what I should call now, this is 4C2 by what we can say now, 50 to C2. All of you. So which will come it as, what you tell me now here, 4 into 3 by, so that is 52 into 51. How much will get, you tell me? Hmm. 4, 4 ones, 4 threes. Yes. 3 ones, 3 sevens. How much will get now here? 1 by, this is 13 into 17. How much this value? 1 by 221. Option D. Next. A bag contained 10 blue, 20 black, 20, 30 red. A marble is drawn from the bag, its color is recorded and put, this is important, it is put back in the bag. The process repeated 3 times. The probability that no two of the marbles drawn have the same color. No two marbles will come in the same color, isn't it? Yeah, tell me now here the probability. So we need to take it as, what, tell me, a marble is drawn. I need to get, each time I should get different marbles I need to get, isn't it? If I say the first one is a blue, if I consider, Second one is must be a black, and third one must be what you tell me now, red. This is the color we should get. The first one is blue, black, red. I need to maintain. So you can tell me now. First one is this process. This process repeated 3 times. If the first one is a blue, yes, then how many ways we can arrange them here? Tell me now. 3 factorial ways we can arrange now. 3 factorial ways. Tell me now here. First one is a blue. Means what the probability now here? 10 by 60. Now replaced. Black is how many we have? Sample pace remain same now. 20 by 60. Next, red one is what? Tell me 30. 30 by what we can say? 60. So how many ways we can do it now? 3 factorial means 6. How much you tell me? What's the option? 1 by 6? 1 by 6 or 1 by 3? Huh? Next. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability that sum of the numbers on both exceeds 8. Sum is greater than 8. So they are saying you tell me now probability of sum. Sum is more than 8. Means so we need the sum. Sum 9 chalega plus sum 10 plus probability of sum 11 plus probability of sum 12. Tell me now here 12 के लिए 1. So tell me now 1 by 36. And this is what? Tell me now 2 by 36. And this is what? Tell me 3 by 36. Now this is what? Tell me 4 by 36. So you tell me how much now here? 7 plus 10. 10 by 36. So how much this value? Tell me. Not simplified, kept like this only. Next. The probability that there are 53 Sundays. What the probability that there are 53 Sundays now here? 53 Sundays. Generally we have, so here 52 weeks. So here every, so 52 weeks we have, isn't it? 52 Sundays, these are common. Okay. Now in the leap year, how many days extra you tell me? 2 days extra. The leap year we have what? Tell me now. 2 days extra will come. 2 days extra will come. Isme we should have this as what are the possibilities are? The first one is Sunday. The next can be a Monday. Sunday and Monday possibilities. Next, or it may be the days will be Monday or Tuesday possible, or it may be Tuesday or Wednesday possible, Wednesday or Thursday possible, Or what we can say now here, Thursday and Friday possible, Friday or Saturday, or Saturday, Saturday and Sunday. So the possibilities you tell me now here, they are saying it is, what you tell me? Now the here this is one possibility, this is one two possibilities are the total 7 out of 7. Two possibilities are there to get additionally one more day. So that's why this is 2 by 7. I watched about digital up to last gate. It was absolutely awesome. Should do full digital or important topics only. So here, see here, this is the you are preparing for competitive exams. In competitive exams, we cannot say what are the important topics. Sometimes what topic also we don't know. They'll sometimes they'll give the easy topic, sometimes they'll give the difficult topic. So that's why we cannot say कौन सा topic choose करना. And anyway, here you are the logic gates only. Thereafter, you have a combination part, sequential part. This combination sequential, those are very important basically. Complete those combinational circuits and sequential circuits. Right. Next, a fair coin is tossed 10 times. What is the probability that only first two tosses will yield head? We need to get what, tell me, only first two tosses we need to get the head. Okay, tell me now what's the option? What's the option now here? So 10 times we have tossed it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only first two tosses only we need to get. So this must be a head. This must be a head. The remaining must be tails होना पड़ेगा ना. Remaining must be tails. Remaining must be tails होना पड़ेगा. Right. And so we need the probability that, so this should becomes what you tell me. This is the situation. Tell me now what are the possibilities now here. Can I arrange the shufflings? Can I do? Can I do the shufflings? Shufflings are not allowed. Yes or no? Why? Because they strictly mention only, they didn't mention the two tosses head. They have mentioned the word of first two tosses head. This word is important. They didn't mention the two tosses are head. They mentioned the first two tosses only head. Observe the difference between these terminologies. They mentioned what tell me in a first two tosses, only first two tosses only. So can I made, so this head will go to third place, fourth place नहीं चलेगा ना, इसीलिए shuffling is not allowed. So tell me now, only this is the only one combination possible. This is only the one combination possible. Yes or no? Shuffling is not allowed. Means what I can say now, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 like this. How many are there, you tell me? 1 by 2. So total is how much, you tell me now? 1 by 2 power 10. And many of the students may choose this option, option D. Option D तो गलत है. Option D can be possible if they remove the word of first two. If this word is missing, then the option D will be correct. Understood? If three coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of getting at least one head. Probability of getting at least one head. Tell me. Probability of getting at least one head. At least one head. 1 minus none. Sorry, this is I have not observed carefully. Sorry. Yes, at least one. At least one means one minus none. One minus none. So means one minus none. How many possibilities? All tails only now. All tails means what? Tell me. 1/8. This is the only possible combination now. T T T. This is the combination. All tails. So that is what we can say. Tell me now. 7/8. Okay. La, la. Next. A fair coin is tossed independently 4 times. The probability of the event, the number of times heads show up, is more than the number of times tails show up. They are tossed how many times to tell me now? 4 times ना choose किया. So 4 times. So 4 times tossed independently 4 times. So is what we can treat now here. Number of times heads show. Heads are more means what I can say, if I take all heads. This is heads more na. If I have taken head, this is tail. This is the other combination. Next, any other combination possible? No. Why? Because if you have taken both two head, two tails, equal होगा ना, equal नहीं चलेगा ना. So this is only one possible combination. This is how many? Tell me. 4 factorial by 3 factorial. So this is how much you tell me now? 4. Total is how much you tell me now? 5. So this is 5. 5 possible combinations, isn't it? So means what the probability? Tell me now here. 5 by 2 power 4 na. 4 coins are tossed. That is 5 by 16. Next. 2 coins are simultaneously tossed. The probability of 2 heads simultaneously appearing is the probability of 2 heads simultaneously. So both 2 heads will appear simultaneously. Tell me now here, 2 heads. Both must be head होना पड़ेगा. Both must be head. That is only the combination. Only this combination now tell me. If I toss now here coins, now sample space is what? Tell me. The sample space is what we can say. Head, tail, head, tail. This is the combination now. So you tell me now here, that is only one combination possible. Both are 1 by 4. Next, a fair die is rolled 2 times. The probability that second toss result in a value that is higher than first toss. You can do like this also. We can do. Yes. Fair die is rolled 2 times. The probability that second toss result in a value that is higher than first toss. Second toss is higher than the first toss. Tell me what should be now here. Second toss must be higher. Tell me now here. अगर मुझे first we got it as 1 मिला. If I got first time 1 आई तो 1 आने के लिए probability क्या है? Tell me 1 by 6. Next possibility now here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, चलेगा. Means what to tell me now here? Next toss will be 5 by 6 होगा. Understood. Next, if the first toss, if we got it as 1 by, so 2 if we got now. Second toss probability is 4 by 6 only. Next, if I got 3, 1 by 6 and this is 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 4. Next one will be 4 I thought this is only 2 combination, 2 by 6. If it is 5 I thought that is only possibility is 1 by 6. Next, last one is not possible now. This is 1 by 6 and this probability is 0. You can tell me now the probability. What I can say now here, this is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 by what, tell me now, 36. Yes, how much this value, tell me now here, 14 na? Yes, so this is how much, C, 5 by 12. समझ में आया ना ये लॉजिक किधर? All of you do like, share to all your friends. Next, box 1 contain chips. The chip numbers they given 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Box 2 contains 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. Two chips, one from each box, are drawn at random. The numbers written on these chips are multiplied. The probability that for the product to be an even number. Product should be even number होने के लिए probability. So even numbers means if we multiply the even number multiplied with even number. So what I will get to, tell me, even into even will get what, tell me, even only will come. Now if we multiply the even number with the odd number, what I will get now here, odd number will come. If we multiply this odd number with the even number, we will get odd only. If the both are odd numbers, will get even. This property you know now, all of you, first thing. Now you tell me now here. First one, they are saying that the product must be even के लिए the condition is what, tell me now. First time I need to select the even, both must be even. Even into even, or what should be combination, odd into odd. This is the possibilities. Now you tell me now here. Both are even. First number is even. The numbers they given here, even numbers are how many you see? These two are even numbers. Means what we can say here, 2 by 5. Second box contain what, tell me, 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 5. Next odd, 3 by 5, and this is 2 by 5. Isn't it? So tell me what I'll get now here. So here 6 plus 6, 12. 12 by 25 na? क्या हुआ? कोई गलत किया क्या? ऑप्शन तो नहीं हुआ था, क्या हुआ? सॉरी यार, हमने गलत किया यार, सॉरी. What यार? This is even now. This is odd, isn't it? ये गलत है. Okay. So this is what, tell me now here, even into odd plus this is odd into even. This is, or we can say 1 minus both are odd, we can say na, odd into odd. Okay, 1 minus we can write. So tell me now here, this is 1 minus, odd is what, tell me, 3. So that is 3 by 5. Second one is also odd only, 2 by 5. This is 1 minus what, tell me, 6 by 25. Then you will get it as what, tell me, 19. 19 by 25. So option D. Product, not sum now. Sum case is different, product case is different. Okay. Then next one. A box contains 4 red balls, 6 black balls. 3 balls are selected randomly from the box, one after other without replacement. The probability that selected set contains 1 red, 2 black. 1 red, 2 black. So here we should get it as what, 1 red ball chahiye. That is 4C1. 6C2 by what I can say, tell me, 10C3, isn't it? Tell me now here, 4 into, this is 6 into 5 by 2 by 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. This 2 cancelled, and we can say here 3 threes will goes, 3 twos, now this is 8 will goes, 5 twos will go, this is 1 by 2. Okay. Next problem. In a housing society, half of the families have single child for family, while the remaining half has a two children. And this problem we did not similar to earlier we did one problem. In a housing society, they are saying half means if I say n is equal to 100, you have considered half means 50. 50 families have only one children, so this means in this family 50 children are there. Remaining will have two children, that is remaining family we can say 50 into 2, which will be equal to 100. Now probability the child picked random has sibling means I need to choose the child from the two families, no? So what I should do here, probability, which is given as 100 by 150. So how much you tell me? 2 by 3. What happened last question here? Oh, oh. Completed. Next. A fair coin is tossed n times, the probability that the difference between the number of heads and tails is n minus 3. Difference between number of heads and tails is n minus 3. Hmm? Difference between the number of heads and tails. Now here, if I toss the coin n times, we have tossed the coin n times. Now if I say heads and these are the tails. Now if I say we have the r heads are there How many tails will happen? So tell me. N minus R. Sir, no, N minus R. So what they are saying here, the difference between number of heads and number of tails is N minus 3. Means what you tell me now here, difference between means what tell me, R minus of N minus R. They are saying this value, how much you tell me now here? N minus 3. Tell me now R. So what I will get now? R minus N plus R, which is equal to N minus 3. So we will get 2R minus N, which is equal to N minus 3. So what I can say, 2R plus 3, which is equal to what? Tell me, N. That is 2N. So that means N is equal to what you tell me? N is equal to, this is R plus what you tell me now here, 3 by 2. N is what you tell me now, R plus 3 by 2. Means the value of N, which will get it as R plus 1.5. What it is? R is a, where this N is what? Tell me now here, number of times coin tossed. Number of times we have tossed the coin. And R is what you tell me? Number of heads. R is what? Tell me, number of heads. You tell me now here, this N and R must be integer values. N and R must be what now? Integer values. So here, if I consider here R is equal to something 3 we have considered, how much will get the N value? Tell me. That is 3 plus 1.5 will get it as what? Tell me, 4.5. So what is this? N is a number of times coin is tossed. Number of times coin tossed is how much? Tell me, 4.5. Is it possible? Tell me. 4 point times, is it possible? Even though here this value, this R value integer, but always we should add 1.5, we should add it now. So means it is a this many times, it is not possible now. N and R must be strictly must be integers only, but here it is not happening if you observe carefully, isn't it? So then a situation could be never be possible. So what's the option? Tell me, 0. Understood this logic here? Hmm? Clear now? I will do some examples, will do, if you want. If this point explanation is satisfied or not with this? Chalo? Tell me next one. A box contains 25 parts, of which 10 are defective. 2 are drawn simultaneously in random from the box. Probability of both the parts being good. Both the parts must be good. Chahiye. So tell me now here. Among 25, 10 are defective means 15 are good. We need to get the probability both the parts being good only. We need to get both are good only. So both are good. How is it possible to tell me? 15 are good not, 10 are defective. 10 defective, इसमें 15 are good. We need to pick what? Tell me now here. 2 we have to pick now here. So means what we can say here, 10, sorry, 15 now. So this is 15C2 by 25C2. Tell me now here how much we'll get. So 15 into 14 by 25 into 24. Tell me how much we'll get. 7 by 20. Check the answer. A fair die is rolled. The probability that sum of the result being 22 is given as 4 fair dice are rolled. 4 dice. How many dice? 4 dice. Sum must be 22. Sum 20 के लिए possibility we need to see. Yeah, first of all, n of s. Sample space is how much you tell me? 6 power 4. How much is value? Tell me 6 power 4 sample space. That is 1296. Now they are saying that sum must be 22. How many dice? 4 dice, na? 4 dice. When you roll the 4 dice, now tell me the possible combinations. How many? What we can have? 22 means if I have selected this as 6, 6, 6. So here, so 4. How many ways we can arrange them here? Tell me 4 factorial by 3 factorial. So means how much we can say? 4 times. Next, what else I can do? This other possibility ways what we can do here. This is 6, 6 and this is 5, 5 I can do now. How many ways we can arrange? You tell me now. This is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So how much you tell me now here? 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 into 2. So we will get it as 2 cancel. So this is 6. Okay. Now totally any other possible combination tell me. कोई दूसरा possible combination होगा क्या? Check करो. Any other combination चलेगा 22 के लिए. नहीं ना? No. So this is no other possible combination. So 10 by 1296. X value is 10. Next. The security system at IT office is composed of 10 computers, of which exactly 4 are working. 4 are working. To check whether the system is functional, the officials inspect 4 of the computers picked at random. The system is deemed functional if at least 3 or 4 computers are inspected are good. Let the probability of the system deemed to be functional is P. They ask him to find 100 into P. So tell me now what's the probability? Means what they are saying here, out of these 10 computers, which are exactly 4 are working. Okay, 10 computers, 4 are working, 6 are not working. So we need to select what. Tell me how many the team will inspect, how many computers the team will inspect. At least 3 must be, 3 of the 4 computers must be correct. They will inspect 4 computers, they will inspect. So means we need to get at least 3 good required, or all 4 good required. Is this a possibility now? 3 good means what we can say here, 4C3 into 6C1 by, tell me now, 10C4 plus 4C4 by 10C4. Now you can see now 1 10C4, 1 by 10C4 we have taken common. This is 4C3 equal to 4C1 only, that is 4 into 6 plus this is 1. So means what I can say, 10C4 means what, tell me now here, 4 into 3 into 2 by, so this is 10 factorial, 10 into, so this is 9 into 8 into 7 into, tell me this is the 25. How much this value? Huh? How much, yeah? This is 25 by 210. Now check it, all of you. Then next problem. Suppose A and B are two independent events. P of A is 0 and P of B is non-zero. So let A bar and B bar are their complement, which are the following statement is false. If A and B are independent events, so that means the P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. That is correct only now. Next, P of A by B is equal to P of A, isn't it? So tell me now P of A by B, which is equal to what, tell me now here, P of A intersection B by P of B. That is what you tell me now, P of A into P of B by P of B. P of B cancel now, tell me. So what I will get, tell me now, P of A. And so this is not correct na. Not correct means C is not correct. Previous question, what happened? Yeah, that is simple question only now. Why you are thinking too much? See, this is option D is correct. Option D is also correct only. So as I told now starting me here, we have seen here if A and B are independent events, if A and B are independent events, so what we can say now here, A bar and B bar are also independent. Why 0? Yeah, these are independent, not exclusive. Yeah, I think that's a word mistake. P of A, B of B non-zero. A bar and B bar are also independent. A bar and B bar are also independent. A and B bar are also independent. No, it's not. So here might be a typing mistake. Should not be 0. If that is 0, all zeros now simply. If P of A is 0, all the terms will become zeros. Completed? Next. Two coins are S are tossed. The four events HR, HS, okay, they given like this. Okay. H represent the head, T represent the tail, which are the following statements are correct. Yeah, see this problem, this is also a good problem. Now, so see this thing here, they has given these are joint probabilities is given. The probability of occurrence of first one is head intersection, second one is also head only. This probability they given us what element of 0.28, and the probability of what we can say, first one is tail intersection, second one is also tail. This probability given us what tell me 0.18, and the probability of this is HR intersection what tell me TS, which is equal to 0.30. Into means what is the meaning of this is A into B. This meaning is what tell me A intersection B only, na? Both occurred simultaneously. Yes, that is TR intersection HS, which is what tell me 0.24. The coins tossed are independent. Dependent. So we need to check this thing here whether it can be happens or not. What can be happens here. Now here we are using the concept of the total probability. So you tell me now here the coin tosses are dependent, the coin toss independent. What is the independent condition you tell me? What is the condition for independent of P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, then we can say independent. So here what is the condition now here? P of HR intersection HS, which is equal to what to tell me now? P of HR into P of HS. If it is satisfied, then only we can say it as independent. But we can't say na. These are joint probabilities. These are the joint probabilities given. Now we use the total probability. We should find the separately HR or HS separately. Now what is this is, I need to get probability of occurrence of R, which is given as what, tell me? That is P of HR by HS into P of HS. All of you tell me this formula remembered. Plus P of HR by TS into, tell me now, P of TS. Remember this formula, total probability. Now you see this thing, this term, how we can write, you tell me now here. So what is the P of HR by HS, which is given as what, tell me? P of HR intersection HS by P of HS. Means from this what I can say now here, P of HR by HS into P of HS, which is equal to, tell me now, P of HR intersection HS, isn't it? So means in place of this I can place this term now, tell me. This formula is this thing. This is the formula. Now, so T diagram you know now? T diagram. When you toss the coin, so here tell me now here, T diagram. So this is what we are calling it as a H first coin. This is R coin and H coin. S coin first. They has mentioned this is a R coin, this is a S coin. Okay. From this R coin, when you toss it now here, we may get what, tell me now here, head will come or tail may come. So this is what, tell me now here, this is my HR we are calling. This will call it as what, tell me, TR we can say. TR. Next from this, here head may come or tail may come. This is what we can say now here, HS we can call, and this is TS. Okay. Now you tell me now, I need to get, so here what should be now, ultimately we need to get what, tell me now, HR. So here what should be the possibility, tell me now here. So first coin से भी मिलेगा या second coin से भी मिलेगा. So this path if we can go, we can get it now here, HR. So that what we have wrote here like this. See, so means what, tell me now, HR. So simply you do remember this thing as HR by HS. HS will get cancelled, HR left. Here TS HR left. Okay. Is this equation is clear to all of you? Tell me, yeah. The same thing here we can do this as this is. So finally what we can say now here, P of HR, it is given as what I can say, this term I can replacing it as what, tell me, that is P of HR intersection HS plus P of HR intersection TS I can write now. इसमें second part also possible ना, इसमें भी आएगा, इसीलिए so this means HR intersection HS is how much? This is the 0.28 plus HR intersection TS. This is 0.30. So how much will get to tell me now? 0.58 will come. Okay, 0.58 ayana this thing P of probability of getting the head from the HR coin. Which one? Yeah. This formula you are talking, huh? This formula you are talking, right? Hmm? Hmm. This formula is a total probability. Total probability formula, yeah. If we ask this head भी has to come ना, head कहाँ से आएगा? इस पाथ में भी आएगा, इस पाथ में भी आएगा ना, दिस थिंग इसमें भी आएगा एंड इस पाथ में भी आएगा ना, दिस थिंग. So probability of total probability formula you remembered. So this is P of A, which is given as P of, that is B1 by, that is given as P of A by B1 into P of B1 plus P of A by B2 into P of B2. Remembered, plus P of A by B3 into P of B3. This is the formula. Like this we can extend now here. We have two coins are there. From the two coins we need to get what, tell me, head required. How we can get the head, you tell me now here. So this thing what tell me now, will head will come there numbering as first one head or second one. So head how we can get, you tell me now here. Head हमको first coin is what, tell me, R coin से भी मिलेगा, HR ये कॉइन से भी आएगा, ये कॉइन से भी आएगा. That what we wrote here simply. If you see, this we can replace as like this. Now similarly same manner, so here we can write for H coin. For this is what coin here? R coin. S coin we can write, tell me. Can you write the S coin, you tell me here? So this is probability of getting head from S coin. How we can say, you tell me? S coin probability, same manner. So what I can say now, P of HS by HR into P of HR plus P of HS by TS into P of TS. Understood now here? So what you can do, that's what I told you now, how to memorize this thing in the while discussing total probability also. So here we can write, if I want P of A, what we should do, tell me? What we should do, tell me? P of A, red ball by box 1 and multiplied with box 1 plus, what, tell me, P of red ball by box 2 multiplied by probability of choosing the box 2 I told, remembered. That what we wrote. Now you tell me now this which we can modify this thing as HS. This is nothing but P of HS intersection HR. plus this is P of HS intersection TS. Tell me now HS intersection TS, how much this value? HS intersection HS intersection TR. So 0.28. This is how much? 0.28. HS TS. HS TS. Tell me how much? HS HS TS नहीं ना इधर. Then we are taking it as what? Tell me here. TR I am taking here. Then here we will get it as what? Tell me. TR will come. Tell me now here. How much this value? HS intersection TR? 0.24. How much? 0.24. How much this value? Tell me. 0.52. This is the probability of getting the head from the second coin. Probability of getting the head from the first coin is this much. 0.58. You tell me now here. And if the coins are fair coins, the condition is what? Tell me. Fair coins are probability of getting the head. Probability of getting tail must be 0.5. Fair coin means what? Tell me. Probabilities must be. Fair coin means what? Fair coin means probability of getting the head is 1 by 2. That is also equal to probability of getting tail na. That is, but it is not happening. So this means what we can say, these are not a fair coins. So these are S and R both are not a fair coins. Independent or not, how we can decide now? Tell me. So here if it is independent, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B होना पड़ेगा. So those are not independent also. So this only possibility is what? Tell me. Dependent. Isn't it? Okay. Understood this problem? और एक बार रिवाइज करो then. So still if you have any doubt, I'll discuss this thing once again. If it is fair coin, 1 by 2 1 by 2 होना पड़ेगा. But fair coin 1 by 2 1 by 2. Independent we can say na. Independent fair coins 1 by 2 1 by 2 we can say. No, we cannot say here, Rohit. Directly we can't do this thing here. First we need to see whether those are good coins or not. We need to see na. Coins or not, we need to see. Fake coins or not, we have to see. Here we got this is a 0.58 point. So here what tell me now? P of HR intersection HS, if I say this is given as what? Tell me. P of HR into P of HS. We have to find out now this value how much? Tell me. 0.58 and this is 0.52. How much this value? Tell me. 0.58 into 0.52. How much this value? This value is a 0.3016. This value na. But lekin they given this value as what HR intersection HS is a 0.28. Okay, so that means these are not equal now. That's why we can say these are not independent. If not independent, so then obviously dependent होना पड़ेगा. Right. Then okay, fine. Yeah, that's for the today's class, and tomorrow also we have same timings, we have the same thing, YouTube class we have. Okay, we have the same timings, we have YouTube class, we'll continue the remaining class, will continue. Yeah, 64 onwards will continue tomorrow. Okay then, see you, bye bye, good night.